Hey content creators! Today is all about exploring the extensive universe of YouTube and its trends, understanding how to ride the wave, and making your content visible. We'll decode the mystery of trending topics and give you a tour of the ever-evolving landscape of popular content on this platform. This isn't about sprinkling magic dust or casting spells, but about arming you with practical, tested strategies to make your presence felt. We're aiming to equip you with the insights and tools to adapt your content effectively. Uncover the secrets behind trending videos. Get ready for a journey into the realm of trending topics on YouTube. Think of trending topics like the main attractions at a content carnival. They're a beacon of light in the vast online universe, pulling in audiences like moths to a flame. These themes, buzzing with popularity, act as the lifeblood of your channel, injecting vitality and relevance into your content. They not only attract attention, but also stimulate conversations, creating a community around your channel. This engagement translates into increased visibility for your channel, boosting your reach and potential for growth. It's like turning your channel into a magnet for viewers, attracting them with what's hot and happening. First up, the YouTube trending page, the pulse of what's hot on the platform. This page, a constantly updated snapshot of the latest viral content, is your guide to what's making waves in the digital sea. Not just the latest music videos or trailers, but also the most recent viral sensations, vlogs, or DIY tutorials that are captivating the masses. It's an ever-evolving billboard of popularity, showcasing the most watched, the most discussed, the most shared videos on YouTube. It's a goldmine of creative content. It's where you can unearth themes, concepts, or ideas that can inform your own unique content. By studying it, you'll gain insight into viewer preferences and tastes, which can help to augment your own creative process. Incorporate similar themes or ideas in your content, while keeping it unique and engaging. Up next, let's delve into the universe of Google Trends, an invaluable repository chock full of trending data. Google Trends, a dynamic tool, offers us a fascinating look at what topics are capturing people's attention worldwide. It's a way to tap into the collective consciousness, a barometer for what's hot and what's not. Using Google Trends to monitor the pulse of your specific niche can provide insight into what topics are rapidly rising in popularity. Think of Google Trends as an online oracle, peering into the future of content trends. Harness its power to stay attuned with the shifting tides of interest. It's like a weather forecast for content popularity, helping you stay ahead of the curve. Ready for a social media deep dive? Welcome aboard as we plunge into the vast digital ocean. Our compasses platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. They serve as our guide, our treasure maps to trending topics. The objective? Find the golden nuggets. Popular hashtags, viral posts, and trending discussions, each one an opportunity, an insight into the world's thoughts, a chance to tap into the pulse of the global conversation. It's like eavesdropping on the global conversation to find your next big video idea. Next, we have community engagement, your direct line to viewer preferences. This crucial component plays a significant role in comprehending your audience. It's a way to tap into the pulse of viewers, understanding their likes, dislikes, and interests. By closely observing comments, likes, and shares, you can gain invaluable insights about their preferences. This direct interaction with your audience allows you to personalize content, foster connection, and build loyalty. Consider conducting polls or directly asking your viewers about their content preferences. These actions aren't just about feedback, it's an interactive approach to content creation. It's like hosting a virtual town hall meeting to understand your audience better. Let's delve into YouTube Analytics, your personal data detective. This intuitive tool provides detailed reports covering a wide range of metrics related to your content's performance. It allows you to understand which videos resonated with your audience, pinpointing the exact timing when viewership soared. By scrutinizing these metrics, you can uncover the reasons behind your video's success or failure. YouTube Analytics also offers demographic data, revealing who watches your content and their geographical location. It's a goldmine of information that can help you tailor future content to your audience's preferences. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals your channel's past performance to shape its future. Last but not least, collaboration and networking, the golden key to the treasure chest of YouTube success. The simple act of teaming up with other content creators who share your passion, your niche, can be a game changer. Extend your reach by making your presence felt at virtual gatherings, webinars, and online events. Tap into the limitless potential of YouTube communities. Join their ranks, immerse yourself in the chatter, the exchange of ideas. This is more than networking. It's about forging a content creation alliance, a synergy that keeps you in the loop of what's trending. There you have it, finding trending topics on YouTube made easy and fun. If these methods sparked your curiosity or gave you fresh ideas, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content creation insights, and share your favorite techniques in the comments. Until next time, keep creating, stay trending, and inspire on.